ano to eh, pieces of the puzzle. Una muna, kailangan natin access to AI. So, sign up tayo dun sa Pax Silica. Among the Pax Silica participants now, tayo pa lang yung may project na specific and tangible. Kaya nakatutok lahat sa atin yung attention ng mga parties. For example, dito sa Israel, very important. Kasi tinitignan natin sa kanila dalawa, no? Number one, yung water management system technologies. Remember, sa Israel, hindi naman siya mayaman sa water eh. Kailangan mo yung tubig initially sa kanila for agricultural applications. But then again, from there, they developed yung mga industrial applications na. So we're looking at Israel for water management system technologies that are needed for industrial applications. And second, malakas din sila pagdating sa AI tech, both in terms of R&D, pure research, and also in terms of applications, and then more importantly, pagdating sa mga hardware and components that are needed for your AI tech ecosystem that are being done by companies here in Israel and also most importantly in their investments outside of Israel. As I said, we will post the exact proposal that was accepted by the US from the Philippines on what really is the AI Native Industrial Acceleration Hub proposal of the BCDA. The exact parameters para yung mga agam-agam ng mga tao regarding, oh, binigay natin to, binigay natin yan, sovereignty, etc. Nandun na, and you judge for yourselves kung ano talaga yung ating proposal. There's a reason why ang proposal natin came from the BCDA, and there's a reason why it was anchored on two important laws in the Philippines where we have a long enough track record of implementing these types of projects. Number one, yung ating Special Economic Zone Act. And then number two, yung ating Basis Conversion and Development Authority Act. So doon naka-anchor yung proposal natin.
Kailan tong ano na to? Talagang milestone na dapat natin dito?
Si Jake Bigkang was already quoted as saying within 2 years ma-implement natin yung AI Industrial Hub. But hindi naman lahat dun lang sa AI Industrial Hub eh. Yung whole ecosystem around it is very important also. Like for example, Japanese, Korean, and Taiwanese companies are already knocking on the doors of Jake Bigkang. Parang looking at, ano ba yung mga nakapaligid dyan? Pwede ba kaming mag-lease ng area around that so that we can feed into the ecosystem of the AI Native Industrial Hub. By the way, yung lease period na yon is just for 2 years grace period yon, which is natural for any land development transaction. Kasi nga, wala ka pa namang kikitain dun eh. Diba? So parang yun pa lang yung period na magba-master planning ka, lahat ng mga land development plans, you will attract locators, get commitments, wala ka pang kita ron. So kaya natural yung meron kang grace period. In fact, mas mahaba pa yung for some transactions that I'm familiar with. So ito 2 years lang yung grace period natin. And if nothing happens on that 2 years, but we'll make sure that something happens, balik yung lahat kung ano man investment na nagawa na ron to the BCDA.